Hey, here's how to use AI and ChatGPT to turn your business ideas into reality. It's all about getting them out of your head, getting them in front of you, and see if this can be a legitimate business. And using AI and ChatGPT, this is the game changer. You can do it in a matter of minutes instead of weeks or days. I am Ray, the founder of AI Ninja, and if you're an entrepreneur that's looking to make money online, create your own business, and leverage the power of this positive disruptor, AI and ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Now, I'm going to show you my exclusive custom GPTs that hundreds of people have used over the past 8 to 9 months with great success. And I'm going to show you a little bit. I haven't talked about them in a long time, but I'm going to show you how they work, what they're all about, and how you can use them too if you get into my AI Ninja Mastermind. Now, I think it's important you learn how to use these prompts, but these custom GPTs are pretty powerful. So let me give you a sneak peek of how they work. Now, as I said before, you can get this, download this for free. This is the old-fashioned way where I brainstorm and niche products, refine products, and define the brand summary strategy. You can do this for free, and these are the old-fashioned prompts that you can do it this way for free. Now, I'm going to show you, though, in my AI Ninja Mastermind, this is something you can join, the resources that we have in here. One of the things that we have are these custom GPTs, and there's 14 of them in here. And we'll just look, let me see if I can, hopefully you can read this. But here's the brand strategy guide, which basically helps you when you do your niche navigator, find your niche, and then you brainstorm products against that niche. You can use these two custom GPTs, and then you can use this brand strategy guide, right, to kind of come up with this. It's actually 12 to 13 prompts in here. It's 13 prompts in the GPT where you find your mission, vision, values, your customer avatars, everything else. Now, this aligns, by the way, these custom GPTs, they align with this three-phase plan, right? So you're either in the alignment and clarity phase where you're brainstorming that idea in that niche and learning how to use large language models. And the outcome is you're going to have a brand summary strategy. You're going to have your niche defined. You're going to have products, brainstorm a list of products that satisfy the pain points in the niche. And that's where you use these custom GPTs in here, these three. Now, when you get into the market-ready mastery phase, where you're developing the products, you got a couple tools in there as well. You can use this ebook builder, if you will, and this eCourse creator. And those really help in the development of your products. And also in the market-ready mastery phase, you're going to build your funnel, right? And when you build your funnel, you're going to need web copy and stuff like that. This is the landing page generated GPT. It creates the web copy for your funnel and the video sales letter. If you've got an introductory sales letter, this can write the script for you as well. Now, if you get into the launch and grow phase, and we're talking about marketing your brand, the GPTs that we have in here include the newsletter generator and then the email campaign creator. So we've got a blog post generator to create blog posts, thumbnail generator to get thumbnails for your YouTube videos, social media hooks, and custom instructions, which improves your ChatGPT communications. This is a marketing content calendar. So you've got all these tools that are going to support this three-phase plan, right? So I can show you a little bit how some of these work. One of my favorites is, of course, the eCourse creator. And when you click on this, it's going to open up a new conversation in ChatGPT. And it says right here, let's just start the course creation process. And it's going to ask you a series of questions. For example, what's the title? What's the target audience? The duration of the course, course objectives, structure, assessment methods, and so on and so forth. Remember that brand strategy guide that I was telling you about back here? Once you create that, you're going to have a 25, 30-page Word document that's going to give all the context about your brand. So when you're creating an e-course for your brand, you can create some context or give it the context and just attach that brand strategy guide and then create your course. And it's going to have all your information about your target audience and your pain points and so forth. But let's just try it without the context just to show you a little bit, a taste of what that e-course creator looks like. And I'm going to paste, I say, I just want an online video course that's 5 modules, 20 videos on the power of decentralized leadership. That's all the context I'm giving. And so I'll show you a little bit what it does. So it comes up with the title, comes up with the target audience for me, a duration, 5 weeks, course objectives. These are the course structure. So I've got module 1, module 2, 3, 4, and 5, 20 videos, 4 videos for each module. And then the material special features goes a little bit further, and it says we'd like to proceed writing in-depth content, and we could say, let's focus on module 1, and it'll go one layer deep, and it's going to give me an outline for module 1, Video 1, the outline there. There's video 3 with all the objectives. And then, of course, if I wanted to continue writing the script, I would just continue with this custom GPT and say, okay, let's focus on video 1 in module 1 and let's write the script for it. I think this is my absolute most powerful custom GPT, is writing the newsletter. So again, one of the things that's really a pain in the butt for marketing aspects, but it's one of the best ways to stay in touch with your list, or newsletters. I mean, they're very effective. You can grow your audience. A lot of people have very successful business with newsletters, but they're such a pain to write. This one is powerful in the sense when we start this custom GPT, it's going to say, let's start crafting an engaging newsletter. Can you provide me the main topic and any subtopics or keywords you like to use? And I'm going to paste these in here. I wrote some down and we'll just show you how powerful this is. I absolutely love this GPT. So we'll say the main topic is perplexity versus ChatGPT 4.0, which is better. And then my secondary topic would be what is the usage and adaptability rate of ChatGPT? And secondary, how do you create images with Midjourney? So that would be those 3 topics for my newsletter. A lot of times when you do emails, you'll give them a taste of what's inside the newsletter. Obviously, your articles are going to exist on your website in a blog post or somewhere, but you would show in your newsletter a teaser copy and everything else. So the subject line that I would put in my email is this. Now here's the featured content. So again, this would go into a template in Canva, your email template for your newsletter. Here's the headline and the teaser copy, and then here would be the hyperlink. Read the full comparison to find out what's right for you. And then the subarticles, understanding perplexity in ChatGPT 4, usage and adaptability related to ChatGPT, and then number 3, stunning images with Midjourney. And then here's some compelling call to actions it gives you. And then it says, let's start the newsletter. If you'd like, it can write the detailed essays, which of course I want it to do. And so I'm going to say here, this is great. Let's write the first/main essay. And so not only does it give you this email template, it'll also write the complete essay for you for your newsletter. So here's the first one, perplexity versus ChatGPT 4, the ultimate AI showdown. And again, it's doing a decent job. Now remember, this is a newsletter. It's all about trying to keep your folks engaged. And already you can see it's doing a decent job. Now I can go back and forth, but it looks like it's pretty much still writing it about 80% there. Gives me references. I can just cut and paste this into my newsletter. So this is a very powerful tool. And then again, we go back and forth if we want to tweak this one, but then we can also say, this is great. I'm always staying positive here. Let's write the second article or essay, right? And let's see how well it does. And of course, the second one is adaptability and usage insights. And again, the beautiful thing too about ChatGPT, it should get the latest and greatest. It can do web search if you need to. And so here's your second article. I would just paste this into a blog post or wherever my newsletter is housed. And you can see just in a matter of minutes, you can just give it a few ideas and off you go with your newsletter. So again, there's a taste of what are the tools, some of the tools that we have, just 2 of the custom GPTs that we use in AI Ninja. And again, this is all part of the AI Ninja Ultimate package. If you want to learn how to become an entrepreneur, you can see all those people are fading away on TikTok. The people that are sticking around are guys like myself, other people who are saying like, look, these courses are great. The roadmap course is great. It's part of the arsenal inside AI Ninja Ultimate package. But I've got all my other things that go with it. That's just one arrow in the quiver that you have in your arsenal to become an online entrepreneur, showing you how to grow a business. Now, I can show you how to go from idea out of your head using all these tools and have an online presence with your own business, your own products, your own brand in less than 6 weeks. It's all because of these tools. It's all because we adhere to fundamental entrepreneur principles. You can be 6 months access into the AI Ninja Mastermind. You can pay that same price for the roadmap. You can go buy that roadmap from 10,000 other people on this platform. And if you get in before August 15th, you're going to get promoted or upgraded, grandfathered into the new roadmap course absolutely free. That's happening on August 25th, but you got to get in before August 15th to get grandfathered in. You'll have 6 months access into this community, and then I'll hold your hand for 6 weeks in that 6 months, showing you how to go from nothing to an online presence. Then you can spend the rest of that 6 months trying to grow and build your brand and build your own community and be a legitimate online entrepreneur making money. So if you're interested, click the link in the bio, DM me, and hope to see you on the inside.